Welcome back to the iOWN YouTube channel. My name is Faisal and today we'll be talking about cryptocurrency wallets, where you can store your coins and tokens securely, and some are safer than others. I have utilized these wallets that I've been mentioning for the last 3 to 4 years. So this information is based on my experience and my opinion only. You'll need to do your own research to find out what wallet fits your needs the best. I'd like to start with the least safest wallet, which are wallets built in exchanges. Storing cryptocurrencies on exchanges is not very safe. The reason why is you're basically trusting a third-party website to store your cryptocurrencies and funds for you. We've heard about websites being hacked in the past and people losing funds. So I really recommend leaving a small amount that you'll need for trading, because I understand it could get hectic transferring cryptocurrencies from wallets back to the exchange and vice versa. So I recommend leaving a small amount that you do need for trading, like daily trading basically. And always keep the large amount of tokens or coins on a different wallet, which I'll be discussing right now. So now that we know that we shouldn't keep a huge amount of tokens or coins on exchanges, there is a great option in software wallets. Exodus is one of them. You can go to exodus.io. You can install it on your phone or on your computer. This is a laptop version. The first thing you see is your portfolio, along with all these different colors representing each asset, and the total amount in US dollars. You can track how your assets have been performing for the past 1 month, 6 months, 1 year, and overall. By clicking transactions, you'll get the history of all the cryptos you've sent, received, and exchanged, with detailed information such as date, time, and amount of crypto. Now let's go to the actual wallet and click Bitcoin. It will show you how much Bitcoins you have and its worth in US dollars. You can click send, place the address you want to send it to, or receive. By clicking receive, you will see your Bitcoin address. Exodus also has an exchange option with several pairs to choose from. Of course, there will be some fees with it and they are pretty high. So I've selected 2 cryptos I'd like to swap with each other and I clicked exchange. And voila. Exodus also has a great on-platform customer service. The other types of wallets available and considered to be one of the most safest wallet is a cold wallet. Some people call it an offline wallet and some people call it a hardware wallet. I have here with me the Nano Ledger S. Let's unbox it. First thing you get is a USB cable and a small flash drive. You'll need to hook up the Nano Ledger S to your laptop or your PC, and then you can access your actual wallet. So once you go online just for a few minutes, you'll be able to send or receive tokens. All your cryptocurrencies will stay safe offline. You also get a small sheet, which is called the recovery sheet. You'll be able to put your 24 paraphrases given to you in case you need to reactivate your account, or if you lose your Nano Ledger, you can purchase a new one and recover your cryptocurrencies. So this is very important and you need to keep it safe. Otherwise, all your cryptos are safe offline in this box. There's a newer version available called the Ledger Nano X, which is basically using Bluetooth technology rather than the cable we use on the older version, the Nano S. They're currently available at $120, while the Nano Ledger S, the older version, is available at $60 delivered. The other cold wallet available is a paper wallet. You can visit walletgenerator.net. As you can see, you need to hover your mouse over these numbers. This will help to generate a random address dedicated to you. You need to wait for the orange bar on the right to be full until the address is generated. Here you are, a new paper wallet. This is your public address. You'll need this address to send and receive your cryptos. And here's your private key address. You'll have barcodes to make transferring cryptos easy by scanning them. And you can print them from these websites and keep it in a safe place. Of course, you can choose your currencies. There is hundreds of them available. And you'll have information and steps to how to generate a new address and print your paper wallet. Here's an example of a Bitcoin paper wallet. You'll have your Bitcoin address over here and the QR code to make loading cryptos easy. And on your right you have your private keys and the QR code to spend your cryptos. And here's an example of an Ethereum paper wallet with your address and your private keys. Many of you watching this video are here to learn more about the IonX wallet, the safest wallet to store IOWN tokens, and it can also store Ethereum. I will go through the installation and the app navigation guide. The first thing you need to do to install the IonX wallet is to access your phone's app store and type in IonX. Click on IonX to install. And open the app. Create a new wallet. Type in your full name and your email address, plus your phone number. Then you'll have to complete your CAPTCHA puzzle. Click Verify. You need to type in your password. Please make sure your password has a minimum of 8 characters. One character that needs to be in uppercase, a lowercase, a number, and a special character. Click Create. You will then get a notification saying make sure you don't forget this password. You will have to recreate your wallet from your 12-key secret phrase. I highly recommend that you write down the 12-key secret phrases on a piece of paper and store it somewhere safe. This is done to keep your funds secure. In the case you purchase a new mobile phone or reinstall the app, the application will ask you for the 12 paraphrases. Here are your 12 paraphrases. The way I would do it is I'll write it down on a piece of paper in the same order, take a picture of it, and send it to somebody in my family or someone I trust. After sending it to them, I'll be deleting it from my phone for extra security measures and store the piece of paper in a safe place. Once you press Next, the app will ask you to fill in the missing paraphrases. In this case, it's vivid, reject, and type. You will now have access to your newly created wallet. And the first thing you'll need to do is verify your email. This will only take a few seconds. Click Activate your account, and this will redirect you to account activation page. Your account has been activated successfully. Then you can just go back to the app and you'll realize that the page is reloading. You will need to unlock your wallet again by typing your password. As you can see, I currently have 0 IOWN tokens in my wallet, so I've asked a colleague of mine to send me some IOWN tokens just for a test. The first thing I need to do is click Receive. Then I'll have to copy the address and press back. I then proceeded to email my friend with my iOWN address. Soon enough, I received the tokens from my friend and clicked refresh for the transaction to appear. Information such as direction, amount of tokens, and time sent or received will all show under the transaction history. By clicking refresh again, your iOWN token balance will appear on top. Keep in mind, the IonX wallet also stores Ethereum. Ethereum is required to send iOWN tokens as gas, which is a very minimal fee. Now let's say if you'd like to send iOWN tokens to a friend or to a second wallet. The first thing you'll need to do is place the amount you'd like to send. Second thing is you'll need to add an address. You can simply place it in this field. And you can choose this transaction speed. I've chosen regular. Click send transaction. Type your password again. And the tokens should be on their way. On your transaction history, you'll be able to see your pending transactions. And the direction will be outwards. Press refresh, and then you'll be able to see your history transaction, along with your Ethereum deduction for gas. I hope you benefited from this video and learned more about different types of wallets. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, put your notifications bell on, and share with your friends.